It's a simple gesture, one we make dozens of times for ourselves and our families to help prevent potentially life-threatening infectious diseases, such as meningitis, pertussis, flu, polio. Vaccines work by preparing the immune system to better combat infection and prevent disease. They are biological products that result from a series of sophisticated and careful scientific processes that ensure the quality of each shot. Here's how vaccines are made. Production starts with growing viruses or bacteria in the lab. A wide range of parameters must be managed, like temperature, pH, oxygen rate, sterility, and homogeneity. The slightest variation in the culture media may compromise the production and cause delays. Depending on the vaccine, cell cultures take from 2 days to 3 months. From a small amount of original cell culture solution, the manufacturer can eventually produce millions of vaccine doses. The microorganisms are extracted from their environment through a process called purification, which eliminates any trace of culture media. We then inactivate the virus or bacteria. That means we eliminate its ability to cause disease. We disarm it. But we retain its ability to elicit a precautionary immune response from the body. The inactivated virus or bacteria is called a valence. A vaccine can include one or several valences to protect against one or multiple diseases in the same shot. Each valence must remain fully effective, and it must not interfere with the other valences. This careful, precise combination takes years of scientific research and development to perfect. Then, stabilizers or a preservative are added in extremely small quantities to help guarantee that the vaccine will remain stable, potent, and effective. Sometimes an adjuvant is also added to enhance the body's immune response to the vaccine. Certain vaccines are also freeze-dried into a powder to help further preserve the vaccine's efficacy. This is particularly important for vaccines that are intended to prevent outbreak-prone diseases like yellow fever, where having available stocks on hand over time is an important element to combating and containing disease. When it's time for the vaccine to be administered, it will be reconstituted by combining this powder with a diluent. The vaccine in liquid or freeze-dried form and diluents as needed are then filled into vials or syringes. When the filling phase is complete, each vial or syringe undergoes visual inspection. The quality of the contents and the container are scrutinized by both the human eye and state-of-the-art digital surveillance technology. All along the production, Sanofi Pasteur performs hundreds of laboratory tests on each and every batch of vaccine to confirm quality. In addition, samples are taken from each batch and sent to public health authorities for testing as well. Only after the vaccines have successfully passed both sets of tests can distribution begin. There are no exceptions. If a batch does not meet the quality criteria, it will be destroyed. Throughout packaging and shipping, vaccines must be stored between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius. Cold rooms and temperature-controlled shipping solutions, such as refrigerated containers and isothermal packaging, protect the vaccines during each phase of transportation and storage. A temperature tracking device is included in each shipment. Sanofi Pasteur takes care to follow strict precautions throughout the entire manufacturing process to ensure the quality of our vaccines. Production takes place in absolutely sterile conditions. Even the atmosphere is purified. Continuous control along the production chain also ensures that raw materials, equipment and manufacturing processes, and the finished product are of the highest quality. In total, more than 70% of the time required to produce a vaccine is spent on these quality controls. Depending on the vaccine, we conduct up to 1,200 different tests throughout the process. For these reasons, the total time required to produce a vaccine ranges from 6 months, for the flu vaccine, for example, to 36 months for combination vaccines. For Sanofi Pasteur, assuring a reliable supply of quality vaccines is an essential part of our mission. We've been committed to developing and delivering innovative vaccines to people around the world for more than 100 years. As a leading vaccine company, we are proud to contribute to protecting health and empowering life.